morning. It's photo shoot day, but I still gotta get up and catch my sunrise. Did you know early morning light has so many benefits for our bodies? It helps give you energy throughout the day, and it'll help you sleep better at night, and it can also elevate your mood. I prioritize early morning light so I can be ready to go at my photo shoot. We are here at the studio, got all the Cheri Fit items, getting ready to shoot with all the girls showing up, and we're gonna go through everything, lay it out, and I'm gonna give you guys a few tips on how to run a website photo shoot day. First thing you wanna do is have a plan and keep track of who is wearing what for what you're gonna shoot. Then we move forward and perfect the set. We get the lighting set up, we get the monitor checked, have everything ready to go for once the models get there. When you have multiple models and multiple outfits, you want to really make sure you're getting everything you need, so have someone on set keep track. I make sure to go over the exact poses we need to capture the clothing and the details for the website. I highly recommend having a monitor on set so you can check images in real time. This will help you check lighting and clothing and really just make sure you're not missing out on anything while you're there. In my opinion, this is one of the most important tips I've had to learn the hard way, so take my advice. One of my favorite things about having an activewear line is getting to design every piece and then just seeing it come to life. Another tip is feed the models. Make sure everybody stays fueled and fed and happy, and honestly, it will make the environment so much better. The last piece of advice I'm going to give you today is if you have a brand, if you have a business and you do a photo shoot, remember why you started, remember what you're passionate about, and bring the energy, bring that fun, because you're going to get what you give. Thanks so much for watching today, and I hope you learned something from my photo shoot tips.